Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. If you can explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be a failure. Only two things are infinity, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the former. The source of knowledge is experience. You never fail until you stop trying. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. A ship is always safe at the shore, but that is not what is bullet for. Only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. It is better to believe than to disbelieve. In so doing, you bring everything to the realm of possibility. If you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. The most beautiful experience we can have is the mysterious. It is the fundamental emotion that stands at the cradle of true art and true science. I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War V I will be fought with sticks and stones. If I were not a physicist, I would probably be a musician. I often think in music. I live my daydreams in music. I see my life in terms of music. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. It is not that I am so smart, but I stay with the questions much longer. Try not to become a man of success, rather become a man of value. If we knew what it was we were doing, it would not be called research, would it? Any fool can know the point is to understand.